Okay, the first 5 questions from today are questions that are going to be on your, or similar to what was on your test right before Christmas break, and will be similar to what's on your test on Friday. So make sure you know how to do these questions. The first one says, suppose you purchase 6 identical pencils and a Sharpie. The Sharpie costs $2 and you spend $5.90 in all. Let P represent the cost of each pencil. What is the cost of each pencil? So we're getting pencils and we're buying a Sharpie. But we're not just buying one pencil, we're buying 6 pencils. And we know that the Sharpie is $2. So my equation would be 6P plus 2, and the total is $5.90. That is an algebraic equation. Algebraic means it's got a variable. Equation means it's got an equal sign. Now to solve it, I minus a 2 on both sides. Gives me 6P. 2's are gone. 590 minus 2 is 390. Divide both sides by 6, and I get 65 cents per a pencil. And I'm skipping the calculator on the video, but in real life I did this in a calculator. Okay, our next one. Heather's Bike Shop rents bikes for $14 plus $3 each hour. Maria paid $20 to rent a bike. How many hours did she rent the bike? So we start out with $14 just to get the bike, the fees, whatever, plus $3 each hour for a total of $20. That is my equation. Solve it. I minus the 14 from both sides. I get 3h equals 6. Divide by 3. And I get h equals 2. Okay, our next one. 6 friends went to the movie. Each person buys a drink, which costs $2.50 each, and a ticket, and they spend a total of $60. What was the cost of each movie ticket? So we've got 6 friends. They buy a drink, which costs $2.50, and a ticket. 6 friends are each buying the drink. They're each buying the ticket for a total of $60. Now I could distribute, and that would absolutely work. Rather than distribute, I'm going to take the shortcut of just dividing because the parentheses means multiply. So to get rid of it, I can just divide. 60 divided by 6 is 10 equals 250 plus t. And then I minus the 250 from both sides. And I get t is $7.50. $7.50 a ticket. An empty semi-truck weighs 10,000 pounds. 25 cows were loaded onto the truck. The semi-truck now loaded with cows weighs 50,000 pounds. What is the average weight of a cow in the semi? Write an algebraic expression, explain what each part of your equation means, and solve your equation to find out the average weight of a cow in the semi. So we start out, we have a semi-truck. It's 10,000 pounds. Then we add 25 cows in the truck. We don't know what they weigh, that's going to be C. And we now have 50,000 pounds on our truck. So what does each mean? This 10,000 represents this truck with no cows. The 25 represents, that's the number of cows. The C is the weight of the cows. And the 50,000 is the total weight. So then to solve it, we minus the 10,000 from both sides. We get 25C equals 40,000. Divide by 25 on both sides. And I get 1 cow is about 1,600 pounds. Our next one. In 4 days, I spent $100 on food. This is my road trip. Each day, I bought breakfast, and I bought lunch, and I bought dinner, and I had some snacks. But there was 4 days, so I need to times that by 4. Now, breakfast was $2, lunch was $5, dinner was $10, but we don't know how much the snacks were. But we do know that I spent a total of $100 on food. Breakfast plus lunch plus dinner means I'm spending a total of about $17 per meals, plus my snacks, times 4 equals 100. Now you can either distribute or divide by 4. And I'm going to go ahead and divide by 4. Distributing is fine as well. 17 plus x equals 25 minus a 17 from both sides, and I get s is equal to 8. $8 a day on snacks. Okay, our next ones are going to look at are going to be from the homework. So I'm going to do a couple from the homework to help you kind of understand what's going on with them. Our first one I want you to look at is this one right here. And it says, the blue jar has 27 more coins than the red jar. If there are a total of 193 coins, how many coins are in each jar? So start off with, we know we've got a blue jar and we got a red jar. And it has a total of 193 coins. The blue jar has 27 more than the red. So our blue jar is the red plus 27. You'll notice there's an extra R there because the blue jar is the red plus 27, but we still have the red jar, which is just the red, for a total of 193. That's my equation set up. Why are there two R's? Because this R is the red plus the 27, which is the blue jar. This R is the red jar. 2R plus 27 equals 193 minus the 27 from both sides, and that gives me 166. So then I have 2R equals 166, divide both sides by 2, and I get R equals 83. Now, for this assignment, it does say how many coins are in each jar. If you can get one of the answers, either the red or the blue, I'm good. Just one answer is required for each of the ones on this. Okay, our next one. Leah's age is twice her cousin's age. If they add their ages together, they get 36. How old are Leah and her cousin? So we've got Leah, and we've got her cousin, and together they equal 36. We know that Leah is twice her cousin's age. So that'd be 2 times her cousin's age. So that's 2C represents Leah. We still got her cousin equals 36. 2C plus C is 3C. Divide by 3. 36 divided by 3. We know her cousin is 12 years old. 36 minus 12 would mean Leah's 24, or you could do 2 times 12 and Leah's 24. Either way, you really, like I said before, only have to have one of the answers, not both, and we're good for this assignment. Okay, number 3. There was a total of 127 cars and trucks on a lot. So we've got cars and we got trucks for a total of 127. 27. There are 4 more than, that means plus 4, twice the number of trucks. So 4 more than would be plus 4, twice the number of trucks would be 2T, then cars. So 2T plus 4 is there, plus the trucks is 127, which means 2T plus T is 3T, plus 4 is 127. Minus the 4 from both sides, and I get, come over here, 3T equals 123. Divide by 3, and there are 41 trucks on the lot. And to find the cars, you would do 41 times 2 plus 4, or just 127 minus 41. Art's long jump was 3 inches longer than Bill's. Together they jumped 20 feet. How far did they each jump? So we've got Art and we got Bill. And together they're jumping 20 feet. And this should say feet. That's a typo. I apologize. Art's long jump was 3 feet longer. So Art's long jump was 3 feet longer than Bill. So Bill plus 3, that's Art, plus Bill equals 20. So then we've got 2B plus 3 equals 20. Minus the 3 from both sides, you get 2B equals 17. Divide by 2, and I get B is 8.5. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and let you finish the other 4 on your own. If you need help, go ahead and email me. And I hope you are having a fabulous day. Thanks for watching the video.